Okay guys, if you've ever in machine shops and you're dealing with these Curt vices, they really work well, obviously, but if you've had one in here for a long time like we have, and it gets really tough to turn anymore, you got to put a lot of force in this, and there's no jaws on it. There's no reason for it to really be going. I tried a little bit of lube on there, and that didn't seem to free it up much, and I got to playing with this one over here, and here's what I found out. What you can do, here we go. Take your 1/4-inch Allen wrench that you use for your jaws, you put that in right back here. You want to be careful, obviously, because this thing's eventually going to come all the way out. But so you take this all the way out of there. Kind of hard to do like this with holding the camera and doing it the other way too. So, but I'll see about speeding this up when I get it done. So you want to loosen this up good. Once you get it so far back, this thing will rotate and it'll just move all the way up. And that's all the fun stuff that's underneath that. That's why it's not wanting to operate very well. So now we'll clean all that out. Now you got to be careful, because up inside here, I'll show you that in a minute, but there's a little half ball up here inside here. So don't let that drop out. Keep this, maintain this way. You can take this set screw out later and clean it off. Make sure all the rust is off of it. I'll come back to that in a minute. We'll clean this up and then we'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so I wanted to show you the progress so far. I cleaned off this side with just a Scotch-Brite pad, and we got this. We pulled this block unit all the way to the back to get this edge right here. It's really nice and clean, as that's kind of rubbing against there. That's what's dragging, is this edge. So we got that edge all wiped down, cleaning this all out, just using compressed air. Be careful if you may want to pull this thing out of your machine if you're worried about any kind of chemicals you're using to clean it with. But for us, we're good. We're going to leave it right where it is. Just clean it with the Scotch-Brite pad and some LPS rust inhibitor and some sprayed air, compressed air, and then I'm going to do the other side. We'll show you what's with the head unit that goes back on here, and we'll go from there. Okay, so here's the other back unit, all cleaned up, or kind of cleaned up. If I run in the tumbler a lot longer, we could get all that rust out of there as well, but not so concerned with that. I put some just some regular grease down inside this pocket here. That's where this little half ball goes. It's just a little half ball unit. It goes face down, so you stick that with the face down into the unit like that, and just push it down in there. It'll find this little spot. The grease will hold it in place, and then put this back on there. Here. You put that right back on. Put that face down with the half balls inside here. That just rotates back, locks into place. Now we're going to put the...
So these bigger machines, it's easier to see, but there's...
Put the set screw back in there. It's got some stuff on the end of it. Then the set screw goes back in, just like that. You tune it up. You guys know how to tighten it and loosen it in order to set it where it doesn't rock anymore. And there you go.